Hey Scrappers, Moose here again. Alright, so today I've got a special episode. What I'm going to do is I'm having a sort of a contest. Not really, it's more of a celebration maybe. As soon as I reach 100,000 views or 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to take all of my subscribers' names and put them in a hat or bucket, something, and draw out a name, and the name that I draw out is going to get a free WSA wire stripper from TNT tooling. This is an $84 tool. It's extremely useful. I use it. So remember, comment, like, subscribe. Alright, and as soon as I hit 1,000 subs or 100,000 views, this is going to be given away. Thanks for watching.